Hello, welcome to this demo on how to connect your AWS S3 bucket to upload spreadsheets on API Spreadsheets. Here is our Excel file, Form Data Submissions on our S3 bucket. It has two sheets, one named Customers with names and date of birth, and the other named Foods with types of food and location. Log in or create an account on API Spreadsheets and then go to the Upload tab. Now click on the AWS S3 tab and enter your account name, access key, and secret key. The account name has nothing to do with AWS. It's an identifier for you to easily recognize your connected AWS account. So you can write anything you need in here. However, the account name must be unique among the other AWS accounts that you have connected to API Spreadsheets. For example, I'm naming this account Form Submission Sheet. So if I connect another AWS account, it cannot be this name. I've linked this article about where you can get your AWS access and secret keys. If your keys don't have full S3 permissions, I am linking this article on how to fix that. After you successfully connected, you can choose the bucket where the spreadsheet you want to upload is. Once uploaded, it will bring you directly to its files page. Copy the API URL and you can see that the data in the JSON object is from the sheet Customers. API Spreadsheets default is to read the first sheet in your uploaded file. However, I want the food sheet to be read instead. To get to this, you go to Change Sheet under Action and change it to the food sheet in this case. If you go back to refresh the API, it will automatically change to the specified sheet. But if you look closely, the data is a little off. This is because it is reading it from the first row, but we want to change that as well. So go to Actions, File Options, and change the start row to 3 where our column names are beginning. When you refresh again, the data should be looking as you need. Start uploading from your AWS S3 account today. Check out our playlist with more in-depth demos and tutorials.